I would like to invite on the stage the power lady on the stage, Miss Malika Bajaj. A big round of applause. She's a chairperson and the promoter of Horizon Reclaim India Limited to address the gathering. A warm welcome to you, ma'am.
जो बनना चाहते हो वही सोचो, क्योंकि जो सोचोगे वही बन जाओगे, वैसी ही स्थिति आ जाएगी. I have been told these words by my guru all these years ago. Jai Shri Krishna. Good morning, everyone. Distinguished guests, investors, partners, colleagues, and all those who have supported us in this remarkable journey. I thank you all to be present here for this historic day. Today, Horizon Reclaim makes a historic milestone as we officially transit from visionary enterprise into a publicly listed and traded catalyst into a greener tomorrow. Our journey did not start today. It is built on the foundation legacy of environmental responsibility 5 decades ago. What began a dedicated family commitment to waste management has evolved. Thank you very much. Thank you. I'm so sorry, but I'm overwhelmed by this day. Just give me a moment. When today everyone talks about Horizon Reclaim, it's about circular economy, sustainability, and all other things you have been talking about for a while. But my vision for Horizon Reclaim is it's based on commitment, sacrifices, and it's more than an emotion for me. I still remember the day it was started in a garage. When I am saying this, I want the motivation for the youngsters that you can start from anywhere where you want to do it. But yes, with a small idea, but a bigger vision. I still remember the dedication of my husband going to 12 a.m. and 3 a.m. in morning to address any kind of fault in manufacturing unit, and me waiting for him sleeping on the couch accidentally. These are small incidents, but they are many. So we can say that Horizon Reclaim is made of 4 pillars. That is hard work, hard work, hard work, and hard work. As a women entrepreneur, it gives me a great pride and privilege because it's very difficult to be in this position. So at this journey, I want to thank some people. Without this, the day wouldn't have been possible. First of all, I would like to thank my father, who surely from heaven was showering the blessings. For a daughter to stand in front of everyone, you need a strong father, the values that he raised in. I thank my father. I love my son, but this is one for my daughter, Fiona. She has always helped me, genuinely encouraged me, worked very hard on herself without any support of me, raised herself to be and to work for me. Thank you very much. I thank my husband Mohit Bajaj and my parents, Mr. Ashok Bajaj, Mrs. Neelam Bajaj, for believing in me and giving me the leadership. This ideology to empower women has come in our family. At last, but not the least, I thank my team. I thank Himani, I thank Astha, I thank Tannu, I thank Vishnu, I thank Paras, I thank Balbir many more. Aman names are more, time is short. So I thank, if I forget someone, I'm sorry for this, but yes, you made this happen. So we promise to stay as Horizon Reclaim. From today, we unlearn what we have learned. We will now relearn new commitment and integrity and perform into a better Horizon world of investors. Thank you very much.